Now sometimes you want to make your picture you want to play around with colors so that you have some fantastic picture. So you're going to use these effects, and you're going to come here, you're going to come to color fantasy. Now you can play around with many colors. As you can see here, there are so many colors that you can play around under the effects option. Now the one that I'm going to use in this scenario is this one here. You see, it creates that dark contrast to your skin. Then again, you can let me just favorite it so that I can always be using it. Now you can play around with the contrast. I'll just put it here at the middle, then I'll just apply. After you have applied that, you can come back either here under retouch and play around with all that. For example, I want to remove the shiny, so shiny here. I can decide to remove the shiny effect so that doesn't shine that much. So I'll just do this, maybe just to remove a little bit of shiny. You can't see it so much, but it removes a little bit of it. Then I'll just do this. I'll remove it automatically. Let's see what it does. You can either do it manually or automatically. I think it's a little bit different. I'll just apply that, then I'll just come here again. Now to add more beauty, maybe you can even do this. You can come here and where is it, foundation. Now you can play around with the colors. For example, you can decide maybe I want to add more brownness. You can decide you want it to be more darkish, or I don't know, just a matter of creativity, making it a little bit silver. I mean, just like that, as you can see here. But you just play around with the skin here. So just to add a little bit of if you zoom here, just to add a little bit of that, it appears a little bit as if it's more of that. Then you can increase the intensity or reduce the intensity. I'll just increase the intensity. I think it brings that effect there. You can decide also to do what, you can even decide to slim the face, like maybe face slimming. I think like you can see there, the face slimming, I think it looks more pretty like that. Then I just apply. Now if you compare the two pictures, this is the beginning and this is how it has turned out. This one looks more goldish. It has that fantasy picture, just playing around with the colors. Remember, you're using Movavi Photo Editor. See you in the next video.